My last one. Ta-da! Everything done. I came to Flower Garden. So pretty. Just making all this, taking care of these plants. Guess what? Oh my god. Am I in jungle? Last time I got here and then I bought some of them. It's still so pretty, and then I'm looking for something that I can get for my bathroom too. So I found her in Facebook Market, but she literally taking care of all these plants. Like whoever in Valley, please come here. Like she's so good, she's so sweet. Her price is reasonable. Wow, I love everything. Well, I can decide it. Like I think this is very cute. Look. This is so cute. Like I want to hang it from the top or my bathroom. Pretty one. And others, I want to buy the like maybe this one, like a palm leaves feeling. I don't know. I like really spiky plant. You know. So I'm not gonna get that one. This baby. Like, can you even tell? This. So cute. Wow, thank you. I came back from some type of shopping today. I got plant, I got like stuff for the bathroom. I'm excited, and then look at this. Oh my god, so cute. I got the baby. Cute, I'm excited to wear it. Ooh, like this. Oh my god. And then today, like I said, I don't think I'm gonna wear it when I clean. This is my bathroom. Like, it's not too bad. I have a window here. I have like, you know, a shower corner. I have like pretty big spaces. Like, I think maybe 2 people can shower. I don't know. I have this nice mirror too. Look. But I feel like it's like everything white. This is like a fake tile sticker. It was like this. And then right now is I got changed it. And so it's got dirty because it's been a while. I tried to wipe it out. It does not really work well. And I have window. So I want to make it a little cutesy, sexy bathroom. And I have this pink curtain. So very exciting. I want to talk about my bathroom. I don't know why I really like bathroom, the itself of the space. I'm not really sure. I also study interior design in my college, and professor asked me to draw 1 spaces in the house you want to decorate. I put bathroom, but it was a boring ass bathroom that my professor was like, okay, I understand bathroom is important spaces, of course, but you cannot have this boring bathroom. You are the designer. So I'm like, okay, let me try something. After that, I really want to have a pretty bathroom. I cannot really say rich or like whoever has more money, they have a like nice bathroom outside or like jungle theme or like nice view. I saw so many. Their bathroom is like bigger than my bedroom sometimes. So I guess that's why I wanted to try and have a nice bathroom all the time. That's my always like things in my opinion. And then since I have my own places, I feel like this is perfect to decorate it. But this is the thing, I'm renting these places, so it's gonna be like deposit friendly renovation. Everything removable, and everything replaceable. Let's go. My plan is change my tile here, the sticker, change the toilet and trash can, everything here, and probably I want to put some decoration today. Ta-da! This seems not too bad. Honestly, I don't know if I bought enough. Ooh, this is very thin. Probably not gonna remove the tile sticker. I will just put on the top because I wonder what should I do. I did not like that floor. So I ordered again, so I gotta work on floor next time. Or tomorrow. I think tomorrow I can do it. I got this plant I wanna hang. Look. For the bathroom. So I got the hook. And I got another plant here. This cute plant. Apparently this is very strong plant. I don't know why I love like spiky plant. Okay, and then I got the base pot. This frame, my art is gonna be. It's very small. It was not cheap, but I want to have this art. Pink and something black and drinks. It's kind of moody. I don't know, something like feeling my vibe. And so I want to put it up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, reflecting is bad, but it's gonna be the vibe. Already my bathroom is, oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm not hiding. I got this hook for ceiling to hook this plant up. So that's why I didn't buy like two big one, because just in case it's not. I went to my friend's house and I saw he has that. And I'm like, oops, that's smart. I want to use that. So, ta-da-da. Wow. And then I can hook like this. I don't know if it's strong enough, but hopefully it's enough. This, that's why. I think it's like, oh my god. So, look at this. This is my sun catcher. It's already vibe. Oh, so good. Look. Guys, where's the camera? Look. Look at this. I love this. I want to put it up here. Like here. I want to put it up here. Nice. You know, ooh, it's cute. Should I go more here or lining or this middle? I think I want maybe a little middle. Yeah, like this here. Ooh, okay. Cute. I want to put this plant here. Like, I think I want to be like this. I have this hook. Hopefully it works, but I won't have much room with it. Oh my god, so cute. I'm so happy. Oh my god. I'm loving it already. Wow, it's getting together. Maybe I want to change the pot one day, but I'm not sure how right now, so I will just keep it like that. Next is this. The sun catcher. Here or over there, but I think I like here better. This is stuck. Sun catcher. Look how cute that is. I want to change this part, like the wood, and then I got bleach a lot, and then like splashes. So I want to change to this new gold. Look, I think it's cute. Okay. I want to change the toilet seat color. I know, like, I think back then, like in America, use a lot of like colored toilet. I heard that it was trendy, but I kind of like that. I don't want it to have this boring white toilet somehow. So I want to have a little sexy accent toilet. So, let's see. Changed it. Oh my god. Pink! I need to change this. I have this on tile sticker. I feel like it's not gonna be perfect the next one, so I don't want to make that happen. I don't know, it's gonna take a long time, but I can do this. I want to remove all the floor, which is fine. I can do this. It might take a long time. I want to wipe it off everything. I want some of the tool so I can rip it up easily. I tried it last time, it wasn't that hard, honestly. Like this. You can peel up. It's not even sticky. Okay. This is the floor actually how it look. And then I made it like this happen. So I want to put it up here. Damn it. Wow. Too done. My face got red. I don't like this floor, but I feel like I like it, so I want to clean it up and done. Yay! Last one of today. As earlier, this is my plan. It's gonna be, sorry this mess. Here. This green vibe. Oh, this is a new bathroom. Wow. Oh, so cute. I love it. I actually ordered a new trash can, but I don't have it right now because it's delayed. This corner is so cute too. All this green, my pink. Wow, cute. Everything's so cute. So first, I'm gonna start doing this, but if you wanna skip the video, please skip the video if you don't wanna look at it. I don't mind.